ये है हमारा घर, मेन गेट। फिर ये ड्राइवर्स रूम, ये बैक साइड पार्किंग गेट, ये पार्किंग एंट्री। So there are 4 gates in this house. This is our new house in Riyadh. Let's enter from this gate, back side. These are our plants. These are tomatoes. This is our swing. We love this swing.
What?
Ziya, say hi.
Hi. This is my house. And I'm
Okay.
watching TV.
Show the house. Show your house.
Yeah, but she watched TV and playing a lot of fun.
Okay.
And this is our TV. Here we down and pizza.
What?
And this is our bedroom.
Wait. One by one.
This
One
is
by
our
one.
bedroom.
This is our wash basin. This is
Yes.
our bathroom.
Yes. This is
And
our bathroom.
wait.
And
The
this
kitchen.
is our kitchen. In which we love eat fruits. And we love eat ice.
No, don't eat ice. No, close it. Close. Close the fridge. Why are you opening the fridge?
Because I love eating ice. Can you please give me ice?
Wait, just wait.
Okay. And here is our bedroom.
Okay, now come here.
This is our bedroom.
This is Nani's bedroom.
This is
Nana is
Nanny's
sleeping.
bedroom.
There's Nani. Come here. Show your bedroom. Show your bedroom. Ziya, show your bedroom.
This is our bedroom.
Wait, let me show my bedroom first.
This is Mommy's bedroom.
Just a moment.
And this is our bedroom. And now,
Just a moment.
this is our locker. And this is our bed.
Okay. Now show me your bedroom. This is a bathroom. And this is
our bedroom.
whose bedroom is this?
Our.
It's so beautiful.
Yes. Look.
Ah, who's that?
It's Zainab.
Zainappa, hello.
Hello. It's our bedroom, not only yours.
There's
Mommy, I want to
stairs.
eat ice.
Now show me.
The kitchen.
No, we have already seen the. No, the drawing room.
Here's the ice fridge.
No. This is the guest area. This is a guest bathroom. This is the guest. There's another door, outside door. And this is our drawing room. Now this is the back side where there's another entrance. That's it.